Inside this industrial facility, natural white bullhorns begin their transformation into durable luxury drinking vessels. The process begins with white bulls, whose strong natural horns provide the raw material for traditional horn drinking vessels. Each animal undergoes careful inspection to verify the health and structural quality of its natural horns. Solid keratin horns enter the production line, beginning their transformation through industrial processing. Horns are carefully sorted by size and structure to match specific manufacturing requirements. Each horn is precisely measured and inspected to ensure structural strength and manufacturing consistency. Automated cleaning systems ensure every horn is thoroughly washed before entering the next stage. High-temperature steam sterilizes the horns, ensuring they are safe and ready for shaping. The horns are carefully dried to remove moisture before entering the shaping process. The tip of each horn is precisely cut to begin shaping it into a functional vessel. The base is cut to create a stable opening for shaping and internal carving. Precision tools carve the interior, forming a smooth cavity within the horn. Rough shaping refines the horn's natural form into a consistent and usable structure. Boiling softens the keratin structure, making the horns flexible for shaping. Once softened by heat, the horns are removed and prepared for shaping while still flexible. Hydraulic presses reshape the softened horns into precise forms for drinking vessels. Additional shaping ensures uniform curvature and a refined surface profile. Each horn is carefully aligned to ensure consistent shape and structural accuracy. Rough grinding removes surface irregularities and refines the horn's overall shape. The edges are carefully smoothed to create a safe and refined drinking surface. Fine sanding creates a smooth surface, preparing the horn for detailed finishing. Deep carving ensures consistent internal thickness, essential for durability and balance. Interior polishing smooths the cavity, creating a clean and even drinking surface. Precision trimming ensures a perfectly even rim for comfort and balance. Final rim smoothing creates a comfortable and refined drinking edge. Each piece is inspected to ensure perfect symmetry and structural consistency. Fine polishing removes imperfections, revealing the horn's natural luster. Mirror polishing brings out the horn's full natural brilliance, creating a flawless reflective surface. Final hand polishing enhances texture and luster, giving each horn a luxurious, tactile finish. Warm water rinsing removes residues, leaving the horn clean and ready for final finishing. Natural oils enrich the horn's color and preserve its surface for long-lasting luster. Delicate decorative carving adds artistic detail, enhancing the horn's visual elegance. Luxury engraving adds intricate designs, turning each horn into a unique masterpiece. Brand engraving authenticates each horn, confirming its quality and origin. Every horn undergoes a final inspection, ensuring flawless surface, perfect engraving, and overall quality. Any minor defects are meticulously corrected to ensure each horn meets perfect standards. Final shine buffing maximizes gloss, revealing the horn's true elegance and luxury finish. The finished horns are displayed to showcase their craftsmanship, polish, and intricate engraving. Horns are carefully wrapped to protect their polished surfaces and intricate engravings before packaging.
Each horn is securely placed into custom packaging, ensuring protection during transport.
Boxes are sealed securely, preparing each horn for safe transportation and delivery. Packed products move through the final conveyor, ready for distribution worldwide.
From raw material to refined craftsmanship, the horn is transformed into a luxury drinking vessel.